Hello everyone, this is Sonam, and in this video we will be understanding the crisis theory by Karl Marx. Here we will be looking onto the concept of crisis, the idea of overproduction, and how crisis manifests itself in different forms and at different times. So to begin with, the idea of crisis, what one generally think of. It is generally assumed as a state of destruction or unevenness which is out of control and order. Similarly, in the Marxian ideology, revolves around basically the destruction of immaterial and economic circumstances generally prevailing in the market. Now, this crisis can happen for a single commodity or for multiple ones at the same time. Now, one might think, how does this crisis happen? The primary evolution lies in the state of overproduction of material goods and inability to sell. That is, the market does not respond to the increasing supply and hence demand and supply mismatches. With this, the price of the commodity fall below the cost price and other factors are equally affected. Now, this idea of overproduction has been criticized by many, particularly the economists, saying that there can never be overproduction due to the fact that the demand of an individual are endless and there has to be a means to an end, and hence there has to have more production, and this production can never be more than the consumption, and hence no production and no crisis. They presume that other factors of production are not significant in creating crisis like situation. This idea, again according to Marx, is not logical and rational, and hence he gives account on how different forms of crisis can exist in the market economy. The first condition where crisis can occur is in the metamorphosis of the commodity itself, where the metamorphosis generally refers to the fluidity of the commodity to get converted into money, and if that does not take place, crisis is bound to happen. Secondly, crisis can take into account of the function of money as a means of payment. Again, in this, it can take place in two forms, either in the form of purchase and sale of a particular commodity as a raw material to be used in the production of some other commodity, and on the other, in the cycle of the manufacturing of an item where the different entities are involved, and any disruption in this cycle will eventually lead to the collapse of the whole thing. Thank you. We will be looking on to the different forms of crisis again in the next video.